Hello and welcome to my channel. Before we start, I will show you the basic Rubik's Cube moves, which is very helpful to solve the cube. So first of all, if you hold the cube like this, then this is your right layer of the cube. This is left layer of the cube. This is upper layer of the cube. This is down layer of the cube. This is front layer of the cube. This is back layer of the cube. If we hold the cube like this, and move right layer upside, then it's called R. If we move right layer downside, then it's called R prime. If we move left layer downside, then it's called L. If we move left layer upside, then it's called L prime. If we move upper layer left side, then it's called U. If we move upper layer right side, then it's called U prime. If we move down layer right side, then it's called D. If we move down layer left side, then it's called D prime. If we move front layer clockwise or right side, then it's called F. If we move front layer anti-clockwise or left side, then it's called F prime. If we move back layer anti-clockwise or left side, then it's called B. If we move back layer clockwise or right side, then it's called B prime. First of all, we have to solve Rubik's Cube, layer by layer. This is first layer. This is second layer. And this is third layer. First of all, we have to select any center color, before we start to solve the cube. You can choose any color, this center color never move, so we start with center color. To complete first layer, we have to follow two patterns. First one is, we have to make cross, or plus with match color on side edge. And second one is, we have to match four corners color, with side color. Now let's solve first layer. First, hold the cube, where your selected color on top. Now, we are going to make cross, or plus with match color on side edge. Here we selected orange color, so we have to move orange color on these spots, to make plus. Now first, we have to find orange color on bottom layer. On bottom layer we have to find color on center cubes. If we don't find the color on bottom, then we have to find the color on other side of cubes. Once you find the cube on center, bring it to the bottom by turning. Once we bring the color on bottom layer, then simply match side color with second layer. Once we match side color with second layer, then simply turn up to the top. Now, again first find the color on bottom layer. If we don't find, then find on other side. Follow the same steps to complete plus. If you find the color on center column, then first turn right or left front layer, and then bring it to the bottom layer by turning down. Now we successfully complete first pattern. Now, we are going to complete second pattern. To solve our first layer, we have to match 4 corners color with side color. First we have to find the color on third layer, where the color on front facing side. Once we find the color, then first check color on other side of the cube. Generally we can find 2 more colors on the cube. Now we have to find these 2 colors on center of second layer. And move the cube, and place it in between the 2 center color of second layer. Once we moved the cube, generally, we find the cube one side match to the center color of second layer. Now if the match cubes on left side, then first simply turn third layer on right side. And turn down the left side layer. Now bring back or turn third layer on left side. Now, turn up the left layer on top. Now, you can see, we match 1 corner colors along with side color. Now, follow the same steps and complete other corners. Now if the match cubes on right side, then first simply turn third layer on left side. And turn down the right side layer. Now bring back or turn third layer on right side. Now, turn up the right layer on top. If we find corner color on the bottom side, simply bring it to the right side. Then turn down the right layer. And then move third layer to the other side. Now bring back or turn up right layer to the top. Now follow the same method that we used to match corner. Here we successfully complete first layer. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video helpful, then please like and share this video. If you don't subscribe to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel to get more helpful video in future.